Now, this is 2024-25 uh, Python program LMS EEX3372. Is the course code, and you can see the scores. Day school 1. There are 5 day schools. You can see all the information, course information by um, clicking this page. CA components is continuous assessment. We have to do 2 CATs, 1 TMA, TMA is student assignment, 4 labs, 1 mini project. Eligibility marks will be calculated according to this formula. TMA multiplied by 0.1 average, lab average, 0.4, CAT 1B is 1 best. That means if you have highest marks, it gets the highest marks from the 2 CATs. And the mini project multiplied by 3.3. This 0.1, 0.4, 0.2, 0.3 is addition of this is 1. Eligibility marks will be calculated. OCAM should be greater than or equal to 40 and mini project greater than or equal to 40, and then you have to face final exam. Activity schedule actually still not confirmed. So I inform dates through this LMS. The course material you can get from here. This course material. There are several videos. Lab 1, all lab 1s, lab 1, lab 2 are online. We will give lab reports, and you have to do online. Then I will start the day school 1. EEX3372 Python programming, day school 1. Actually, Python programming is a high-level programming language. That means here you can see this. Here high-level means you can focus more on logic and problem solving than the hardware level details. This hardware level, when we consider the hardware level details, C programming, you can access more hardware drivers and than this Python. In Python programming, these hardware level details are automatically done. That means like memory management. You can do manually. You can access memory addresses by using C program, but you can't directly access this by using Python directly, but it automatically manage. and the advantage of Python programming is designed to be easy to understand and use. Hides complex low-level details like memory management. Great for beginners and professionals. There are so many libraries, so many users can access many libraries. Interpreted language. Python code is executed line by it is an interpreter. It is called an interpreter. Other than this interpreter, there are another another one called compiler. This interpreter means actually all the programming languages in computer executed in binary level. That means ones and zeros. But the directly programming binary languages is very difficult. So they gathered commands and converted one into the one command, several commands combined and uh, 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 combined and then implemented the abstract level called assembly. Then assembly also very difficult, so converted it like C program. And then this Python is higher than the C program. So it is the major disadvantage is somewhat slow, but it is uh, complexity is reduced. Uh, this is this converting this high level um, high level to binary code is called interpreter or compiler. There are two methods to convert. One is interpreter, one is compiler. In compiler, all the program translated into the binary level, but in interpreted language, line by line, it convert line by line. So the interpreter in interpreted language easier to debug and test. But in compiled languages, uh, all the errors, not runtime errors, all the compile time errors are detected before translate into the machine code, machine language. Here, one by one, it translated, and if there is error, one by one it indicates. At the beginning, I remember in 1990s, there's a program called BASIC, programming language called BASIC. That also interpreted language. Now the Python, actually Python has combination of the interpreter and compiler. The some part is compiling. Python lets you run directly making rapid development. Actually, when using Python, you can development. You can do development and testing rapidly. That means quickly. Used in many domains: web development, data science and machine learning, automation and scripting, AI and robotics, cybersecurity. There are so many libraries for this. Django, Flask, NumPy, Pandas, those are libraries. TensorFlow, automate daily tasks, that automation and scripting. AI and robotics, OpenCV, uh, ROS, Scapy. These are so many libraries are there. Why need to learn Python? Simple syntax, great for beginners, vast set of libraries, community support. There are so many programs and uh, communities available for supporting Python. So they most of them creating separate library. Cross-platform compatibilities, other operating systems, and also it can connect to the other programming languages like C++. Key concepts in this unit. Uh, in this unit, identifiers, variables, constants, assignments, and expressions are describes. Identify basic input and output operations, apply string manipulation, techniques in Python. If you have any problem, you can ask. Okay, now I will continue. This is a value. I will explain this by Colab example. Here, this is the value. These are the values. 25. 25 become integer. It automatically assigned as an integer. 4.5, if we declare, if we type 4.5, that means it take it as a data type as a float. Hello is a string. It's a word. Here, I use Colab for, uh, for running this. I think I I will share. Yes, accidentally I mute the mic and now it's okay. I will share the Colab link with you, and also I will Did I mute? Uh, you can hear now. No? Hello? Okay. Python data types. Int. The whole numbers 5 minus 10, 1000 like this. Float. Decimal numbers 3.14 minus 0.01 like that. With the decimal point, it become float. String. Strings it's a text, all the text. Even you can write single quotation or double quotation. Within the if you write 1, 2, 3 double inverted commas, uh, it become a string. Complex. Complex numbers we can write 3 plus 5j. Use type to check the variables. Python data types. Okay. Type A, B, type C, type D, I print last one. Here you can see the first one is int, second one is float, third one is string, uh, fourth one is complex. Code example in these are okay. Dynamic typing in Python. Python uses type inference, no need to declare data types. Actually, this is also this sign is called comment. Okay, if you want to write comments, this from here to here, the interpreter ignores uh, this from this point, this line, from this point, compiler ignores. Before that, it takes as to interpret. Age 25, GPA 3.5, name Tom like this. Naming variables. Uh, Variables should be named as like this. Must start with a letter or underscore. Underscore is like minus and like underline like minus. It right below. Cannot use Python keywords. Keywords are there are some keywords like def like Python has some keywords. Case sensitive, Uh, this VAR simple capital V simple AR capital VAR are different, three different variables. Use meaningful name like student name, not SN. Your dynamic typing rules, okay? The underscore is like this. This is the underscore, okay? That also you can write. But you cannot write like um, uh, print. This is a keyword, okay? This become an error. Here, um, here are the Python keywords: false, none, true, and await. Like those, all those things are keywords. You can't write these keywords as variable. Some error is coming now. Something happened, I think, because of I tried to define uh, my, keywords as a variable. So there, there was a some there is some errors are coming. So uh, I will define create a new one, and uh, other thing is a variable. Now here you can see var is 5, var is 15, print var, print capital var. You can see these are two different variables. Here these are the Python keywords. Cannot use these as variable names if, else, else if, elif, while, like those things. Expressions and statements. Expressions are combination of values, variables and operators. X plus 2. We can assign x as a 5, x as a 2, like that. Then if we defined earlier x is equal to the 2, then x plus 2 is 2 plus 2, 4. Statement is instruction and the interpreter can execute. It assign this 5 is assigned to the x variable. Now here like this. X is equal to the 5, x plus 2 is equal to the, here this 5 is assigned to the x. Then now the x is the value of the x is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Operators. Operators, addition, plus sign, 5 plus 3, 8. Subtraction, this one. Multiplication, this one. Division, modular. Remainder is 9 divided by 4. And the remainder. 9 divided by 4 is 2.1. No, not 2.5, not 2. 4 into 2 is 8. The remaining value is 1. That is the modulus. Order of operations. Order of operations is, uh, now take this one. Now 10 plus 5 multiplied by 3. If we not, okay, I will, this print is not running here. Now print x, print y. Now here 10 plus 5 multiplied by 3. Operator precedence is in this expression, uh, uh, first it will take the this parenthesis sign. These signs. Then execute these things. 10 plus 5 within this parenthesis sign. 10 plus 5 is 15, then multiplied by 3. 15 multiplied by 3. Here what happens? This operator precedence is highest level is parenthesis sign and then multiply, then minus like this. First it will take minus sign, the not multiply sign. 5 into 3. Then plus 10. Please 15 into 3, 45. Here 15 plus 10, 25. That is the operator precedence. Control structures, selection and iteration statements. Selection structure, iteration structure. Selection means if else. If condition, if it is true, this statement will run. Otherwise, if this condition is false, this statement will run. If else. Now here, what is this? These are these codes. Now this is a assignment variable. Allowed limit is called a variable, and 25 is assigned to this variable. Here weight, weight equal float input. Here you can input a value to this variable. Here 25 directly assigned to this variable. Here you can input, we can input. If weight is greater than 25, in the if else condition, this colon is indicates that this is a control structure. If else also has a colon, and then you should keep this indentation clearly. Otherwise, this block of this indicates that indentation. If condition, if it is true condition, the block indicate that here from the indentation. Indentation means like this. Here no indentation. Here the intended in one to the one line. You can do like this also. This is also correct. How many kilograms does your bag weigh? Exactly this will print, and then the user has to input the value. Say 35. Your bag has 10 kilograms, etc. Because if weights I entered 35, this if weights greater than 25, then weight minus allowed time, allowed limit. Allowed limit is 25. Weight what I have entered is 35. 35 minus 25 is will assign to this one. Here you can see 10. Here you can see 35. Here you can see 25. Then print your luggage has this much of extra. There will be an extra charge of print this one. Extra weight into 10. So that means we can decide what is the value. Then, however, if page is like this, we can run again. If I put 12, it is less than 25. Yes, your luggage weight is within the limit. Thank you for business. These things will be printed if else. Here, if it is true, else this will be printed. This block of this indicate by this indentation. Here the target check this uh, program. Here nested if statement. Nested if statement if else statement within the if statement. If weight greater than allowed limit, extra weight is weight minus allowed limit. If extra weight less than 5, less than no charge this time. Extra charge applies. Here you can run here 34. Now this allowed limit is 25, weight is 34. Now here also this variable valid. Now 34 9 9 is extra. If the extra weight less than 5, no charge this time, but extra charge applies else because it is only else. Here this describe nested if. Nested if is if else statement within the if statement. I think you can understand this. Else if statement. If mark greater than 80, the grade is excellent. Else if is else if. Enter marks. Okay. Here the program is mark is int. You have to input. This int means you have to enter integer value. Input enter marks. Then if mark greater than 80, greater than or equal to 80, here we have to write colon sign and grade is excellent. Else if the else here three else's. If mark greater than actually this is also nested. We can say nested also. If mark greater than or equal 65, grade is good. If marks greater than or equal 50, grade pass. Right, we will check enter marks 78. Your grade is good. Here it check whether the mark greater than or equal to 80. No. L if greater than or equal to 50. Yes. Then marks Good. I used repeat actions. Iteration. It is the other structure. Earlier structure is if else. Uh, this is iteration. You should repeat the action to two main types while loop, for loop. While loop. Okay. Now here the code is in is assigned to the 0 is assigned to the n, while n is less than 10. Now first n is equal to 0, then the while this program goes to the inside the while loop. Because n is equal to 0, n equal n plus 1. N plus 1 the first time n is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to the n. Then print n. Then what will be the print, what will be print here? 1. then then the loop is finished. The loop is finished. Then it goes to here. Then n is equal to first time n is equal to 1. Then that in this case also n is less than 10, then 10. Like this, it will print until n is equal to 10. If it is 10, n is less than 10, this condition is not, if n is 10, condition is not true, so it will exit the while loop. It goes to here. Print all numbers printed. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now, in 9, okay, in ninth value, ninth value is also good. If it is ninth value, n is equal to n plus 1, so it will print 12. N also print. And then it will exit the row. Print all numbers printed. Now it's okay. Here, the second one is follow. Here, follow uh, for loop, for target value, this this is called array. This is called array. This variable, array variable. Uh, we can define set of numbers, set of same type of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is integer value, number, set of numbers into this variable. These are called arrays. For target value, it is a number in number list. Target value, first the target value is the 1 to some number in number list. Now this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. Now number list, in number list it takes target value from 1 to 6. In target value, squared is target value multiplied by 2. Multiply 2 times multiplied. This becomes squared. Target value multiplied by target value. I will explain furthermore in is here this array has 6 numbers. For I in AA. Print I or say whatever. Now this I takes as a value of this first one. Now you can say minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, right, like that. In A is array variable. In array for I in array in AA, it will print all the things. Python offers introduction to data structures. Data structures includes list, tuple, dictionary. Offers rich and flexible data structures used for organizing, managing, and storing data. Here there are two types of data, immutable types, mutable types. Int, float, strings, tuples are called immutable. Mutable types list a dict set. Only mutable types can be modified in place. We will check what is this. These are list. List data structures. Ordered mutable sequence of created using square bracket. This list data structures, we call these things as arrays also. These are string data types. We include these variables, this data within the square brackets. Numbers, number list, mixed. You can write strings and as well as numbers also. Mixed, empty. Here you can write empty. You can write print countries. If you can see the print countries, these data are available in this assigned to this variable. Pricing list. You can get only some of uh, um, data from this list. This characters is this variable. This list, the name of this list is characters. How many data available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can write print characters 3 colon 8. 3 colon 8 is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 to 8. 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to write 8 also. This end sign plus 1. You have to write it. It will print D, E, F, G, H. There is another called Triple dictionary. Also, I will explain. You can change this name as different names also. I will explain it later. Now we will go to the this one. Here you can check this one. Now what is this characters 0 to 3? 0 to 3 is 0 is A. A 0, 1, 2. It will print only 0, 1, 2. But you have to write 3 also. That is the condition. 3 to 8 pin 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 to 7 plus 1. 3 to 8 into 2. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. Starting from the 3 and 2 by 2. First one is this one. Then after the skipping 1, F and then H. Here you can see here uh, 0 to 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the 3. 0, 1, 2 and that right here 3. 3 to 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 to up to the 7. More slicing example, characters from start to end. Here you can see characters 2, starting from 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, from C, C, D, all the things. And characters up to 5. Up to 5 is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to E, 5 minus 1. Like that you can see others also. List operations, common list operations, append, insert, remove, pop, reverse, clear, copy. append. Okay, append fruit for this list. There are two elements in the this fruits list, and you can add one more by using fruits dot append orange. Print fruits, all the things. You can append one more also. Fruits dot append append B. B and fruits. You can see P. Insert. Insert, you can insert one. The this element is zeroth element. This element is one element. So insert one orange. That means in between these two data, it will insert an orange. Here it will insert. Remove. Here, remove apple. If you have two apples, only one first apple, first apple will be removed. What, what is taking one value? Uh, what one is um, this is zeroth element, first element, second element. So what one is it will take first element from the item. No, from the fruits. Fruits dot top one. That means 0, 1. First element will be retrieved. Print item. This first element assigned to the item variable. So it will print first one banana, this one, and then the whole uh, first one take, and then it other only these two will be remain. Reverse. Reverse means this will be reverse. Cherry, this last one is first. Then little one, first one goes to the last. Clear? You have to delete all the data in a list. Copy fruits. There are two data elements in fruits variable. Copied fruits is fruits copy to this one. This will be copied to the this variable. Append copied, then append the cherry to the this copied variable, copied fruit. Then print fruits, print copied fruits. Fruits has only the two elements, but copied fruit has three elements. Range. This is actually uh, range in the range type in Python. Range is built-in type that returns a repeat sequence, commonly used in for loop to iterate over the sequence of numbers. So item in uh, range 10. It will take the range 10 is range 10 is 0 to 9, 0 to 9. 10 elements 0 to 9. The range 1 to 10. 1 to 10, if you write 1 comma 10, it will print only the 1 to 9. You can write like this 2 by 2. First one, the second element will be removed, third one like this. Here you can see range stop, range start to stop, range start stop step. If you have any problem, please ask. Okay, no one is talking. No, did you understand these things? Okay, okay. Using index values. Here, this list cities. It includes Colombo, Candice, Jaffna, Matra, and Radhapura. For item in range, length of cities, we can take length, that means no need to manually count and take this the length of this list manually. It will take automatically if you write this. City in position item is cities in town. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can print length of cities. Print length, this city's length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to this range. Item in range length of the cities. Print city in position item 0. Item is this one. Number first one is 0 is city's item. City 0. Here we can write like this. Print cities 0. Colombo. It will take city 0 is this item. 1 is, I'll say 3. 3 is 5. No, Matra. 0, 1, 2, 3. Matra. The value list range of 5. Convert range to list. Convert range to list. This range is 0 to 5. This is converted to the list and assigned to the variable value list. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 elements, range is 5, 0 to 4. That is end of this session. I will stop here, and in the day school 2, I will describe, I think, around object oriented concepts. Okay, I will stop here. If you have any problem, please email me.